Hey guys, the brand sent me this travel laptop backpack for free so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how useful and high quality it is. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice about this is how rugged the material is. It's made out of this very thick, high quality polyester that's also water resistant. But it's also very comfortable. That's because it's got padding over here for your shoulder area and back here for your back. You can see it's a very soft and breathable material. On the side here is a mesh pocket you can stick your water bottle in. And on the back over here, you're gonna find the first of several pockets. You can see here how much room there is in here. Now back to the front over here is another pocket. Once again, cavernous with plenty of room. Now, as far as the main compartments here in the front, you're gonna see the first one here. It's got little slots here where you can put your calculator or cell phone. There's even a couple of pen or pencil holders here. And lots of extra room for things like a tablet. But of course, the best part about this bag is the main compartment, which I'm gonna open up here. You can see it's got this designated laptop holder here, nice and padded. And it's got plenty of room, so even a larger laptop or Chromebook like this one will fit right in perfectly. You still have plenty of room for your clothes or shoes, anything else you may need for work, school, or a trip. So it's high quality, water resistant, it's got plenty of pockets, compartments, and room for all your belongings, no matter if you're just going out for the day or a long trip.